Welcome back to the channel. Well, in the previous video of the Farmall Super A project, you watched me put on the oil pan and change those the level valves there. So now I want to put the front cover back on and see the front pulley and work our way putting this thing back together for, well, I tear apart, like gotta fix the gasket on the hydraulic pump. So, and then we're gonna do the carburetor too. All right, so I already got the front cover cleaned up as best I shouldn't say the best I could, but it is cleaned up for the moment, at least. So I'm gonna pull the old seal out. I already checked my new seal is what I needed it to be. So see if I can get her hooked in there, pull it out without bending everything else up. Boom, popped right out. Okay, so the old one, let's see. The old one, Chicago rawhide number 18580. New one, 18580 SKE. So, okay. Not sure if you're seeing everything I want you to see here. Okay, maybe that'll be better for you. All right, let me clean this where the seal sits, at least out. I am going to put a little sealant around the seal before we put it back in. Get my hands to work here. Just a little more insurance. Had a nice visit from Andrew Raby and his wife. They came after that 445, and his wife wanted to take a tractor for a spin, so I put her on my UTS gas, and they went for a little rip. So, all right, let's put this in. This is just driven flush. Boom, shakalaka. Okay. I did some measuring here, and I am gonna put the sleeve on here. Just beveled on one side here. I think I'll use the same deal here. Shoot, I should have showed you that. There was a groove in this. There we go. In the crankshaft pulley there. I think that's got to go down just a little bit more. Okay. Good. So, and I got a nice new sealing surface there. So that'll be good there. Okay, well, I'm gonna put some sealant on here, then I'm gonna do it on the tractor itself, and I'll bring you back. Okay, that's got the sticky stuff on there. Oh, it ain't stayed where I want it to yet though. And then I've got it on the other side as well. Okay. Now, getting everybody lined back up. That's the thing. Okay. These are just temporary to hold that because I know the governor goes on there. Beautiful day yet. First I need to put some grease on that seal though. Okay. Oops, sorry, I'm in your way. Oh, I should have done that before. That's right, up down. I'll put it on the shaft. Or the pulley itself here. There we go. Okay, these always go on a little bit easier than they go off. You want to put this on hers before you tighten these all up, so that way it's self-centered and, you know, aligns on there like it should. I'm going to use this. We're going slowly. About another ½ inch. We'll have her licked. I wonder if I should put a socket on there. Hit the socket. 7/8 isn't big enough. Let's see. Do I have the bigger one? What's this one? 1 3/4. That'll work. About a 1/4 inch. A little more. Okay. All right. Now we can tighten those up. I want to double check to see if there's a speck between there. That way we can take care of that when we get there, or when we need to. All right, I'm gonna tighten these up and I'll bring it back. Okay, well, the book didn't give me a spec for distance between the crankshaft pulley and the housing. I know you don't want it touching because then way right in there, but I know it was closer than this. So I'm gonna put her on a little bit more. It also said in the book, though, they recommend you heating these up before you put them on, but she's feeling pretty stoked there. Let me stand up, maybe I can get a better swing. I think she's tight. Oh, or as far as she's going, that's what I want to say. Okay. Okay, so I don't know if I didn't order it, but I needed a gasket for, oh, is this the lower water inlet? I was thinking it's the water pump, but no, that's not the water pump. There's nothing in there to pump water. So let's put that back on. So get these bolts back out. So I made a gasket. Do the same thing. We'll put sealant on here. I don't think I ordered this gasket either. So, all right. I'll put the sticky stuff on here too. Okay. Yep. Okay. You watched one of my videos. I was working on an exhaust. I made my own gaskets. I forgot to cut out the inside of the gasket. I remembered this time. Thank you very much. Don't think I'll ever do that again, but never say never. Okay, that one, the longer stud went up here. Okay. One thing's for sure, the time to paint this front here, when the front end's not on here, that is for sure. Oh, I think this it's 9/16. Okay, that's back on. All right, now the governor needs to go back on. Apparently I didn't clean that up as well as I should, so I'm gonna work on that. I gotta clean the governor side up too, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, got her all cleaned up, gasket made. Do I not have it on there right? Oh, we know what goes on here this way. There we go. Okay. All right, gotta make sure that this moves like it's supposed to. This can get off and then not turn like you want it. Double checking here. The other long one here. real long bolt goes here. That's very goofed. All right, I'm gonna leave the governor control rod right where it's at. Okay, that's doing what it's supposed to do. That's good. All right, front cover is back on. Wipe some of this extra stuff off here. Don't need that on there. Okay, it's a beautiful thing. Cool. I think I'm gonna leave the fan off for now so we can paint all this. I think we're gonna, I don't know, I might try to paint that like it is, at least this front half here, or you know, in front of the motor here, before we put the front end on. That makes sense to you? I think so too. All right. Well, we're back where we kind of started not too long ago. So next I'll be, we'll change this hydraulic pump gasket here. Oh, I wonder if I gotta take the hydraulic lines off, or they're not flex right there. There might be enough flex in right there to get that off. I don't know for sure. Haven't done that before, but yeah, I think we'll take off the magneto just so we can paint behind the engine, or behind that on the engine. Just looks nicer. We'll take off the oil filter canister, at least the top part, or maybe the whole thing, so we can paint behind that too. I want this thing to look nice, so that's why I think I can still get paint in everything right here. Yeah, we'll have to do some more cleaning yet before we're ready to paint, but we are getting there. That's for sure. This is going to be nice. So, okay, well, I think that probably is going to be enough for this video as well. I'm trying to keep them down below a half hour for you. Sometimes they get longer than that, but if I think about it ahead of time and just do, you know, because people have a short attention span, you know, and they say, I guess, but we'll do what we can do. So, hey, I appreciate watching. We'll see you in the next one.